Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So in the previous video we have seen data structures, data types, and along with that we have seen the functions which we can use only with data types and data structure. More functions we will talk about today. But before coming into that point, the first concept we are talking about today, that is indexing. I hope everyone can see my screen. What exactly indexing stands for? Always remember, indexing in Python starts from left hand side and right hand side. Both the side it starts, right? So we have to remember one thing. Whenever we talk about indexing from left hand side, it will starts from 0 always, like 0, 1, 2, like that way. And from right hand side it will start from always -1, -2, then -3. This is how it works. Now, what exactly indexing, sir? I will tell you. Indexing is nothing but one of the concept in Python which help you to understand or which help you to basically check the length of your characters, right? For example, I am writing here, for example, A is equal to, here I am writing London. And here I am saying give me the length. Len is a function will give you the length of your value. If I am saying A, so it will calculate the length of my character like London. So total 6 characters are there, right? It will give me the 6, right? It will take some time because I just started the Google Colab. So it will give me 6. Let's try to run this first. I'm getting 6, right? But how it is calculating? How it is calculating? Before coming into that, if I'm writing a of 0, if I want to pick only one single value from a is a variable which contains London, right? I'm saying a of 0. Why I'm saying 0? Because 0 means nothing but I am starting my index from left hand side. If I'm saying a of 0, always this square bracket should be there. I'm getting L, that means the first character. If I'm writing here 1, that means a second character. But at the same time, if I'm writing -1, that means I am counting my index from right hand side. So I will get N because it is starting from right hand side. This is nothing but indexing. The demonstration time for indexing I will show it to you. You can see this. This is one of the example which is available to the internet. You can see this written over here. Geeks for geeks. If you talk about indexing from right hand side, it is starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Right? It will go and so on. Whenever you see from here, right hand side, -1, -2, -3, and so on. So this indexing will help you to check or pick the value from your character. Yes, if I want to pick this D, right? Only D if I want to pick. So what I will write? I will write -3. I will write -3. Or I can write, it depends on me. I can write 0, 1, 2, 3. I can write directly 3. I will get the value. D I am getting. So there are two ways to get the value D only from the London. This is nothing but indexing. We have understood the indexing, right? Along with that, if you remember in the last session, we talked about data structure, data types, all these things, right? But in the last session, we talked about append function. I have told you append is the function only work for list, right? And each and every data structure has its own unique functionality. So append was appending a value at last. I can give you an example again. Here I'm saying list or LIS I'm writing. Here I'm creating a list. Again, this is the benefit. If I'm creating a list 1, 2, 3, 4, I can write here London. Again, list is the data structure where I can store any type of a data. 1, 2, 3 is a numerical. London is nothing but character or we can say string. Here I can store some float value. Here I can store true false anything, right? This is the benefit. So this is my list. Simple. This is my list. Hmm. This is my list. But I told you if I'm writing lis dot append is a function only worked for list. I want to append the value 100. 100. It will append the value simple, right? And print list again. Appended a value 100, right? Simple. But sir, if I want to append a value in middle, this is my list. If I'm using append function, it will always append the value at last. Like this, after true, I have appended a value 100. I want to append a value, sir, in middle, in somewhere here before London. Can I do? Definitely. So if you want to insert a value in between, there is a function dot insert and lot more functions. But sir, all these functions we have to remember? I would say no, but you have to practice enough. So there's a best way to do that. Whenever you write a list, just write dot. Yeah. See all these functions, it will give you automatically. Can you see this? Append, clear, count, all these functions are only for list. So you can see that from here. So you can see index is written over here. Click on this. And whenever you talk about index, you have to write always. I'm saying 1 comma I want to insert a value USA. I want to insert USA, right? Whenever I run this, oh, it's giving me error. My bad. Why? Because it's not index. It's my bad. We have to write insert. Insert is a function. By mistake, I have written down index. Insert is a function will help you to insert a value at its first index. If I run this, see, no output. Now run this one more time. Can you see this? USA has been inserted in the middle of a list. What one stands here? One means at first index. 0 index I have a value 1 and first index I have a value 2 and I said first index please insert a value USA. So you can see first USA has been inserted. This is how insert functions works. Along with that there are a lot of functions for sure. I will not go through each and every function, but I hope you understood how function works. But I can tell you some more functions. If you remember, I told you dictionary is the function, right? How to create a dictionary? Whenever we talk about a dictionary, we need a key value pair, right? So I'm creating a key 1 comma London, I'm saying London, yeah, I'm saying 2 comma USA, 3 comma some value I'm writing. I can write value, even though I can write any value, right? This is my list. This is my dictionary. If I write DIC, I am getting all the value. But sir, in this dictionary, I want to insert a value. Can I insert a value? Yes, you can. But if you want to insert a value, there is no insert function in dictionary. There is no append function. So each and every data structure has its own unique functionality. What I have to do, just write next line, just write DIC, the square bracket. This is the working procedure for each and every data structure. That's something we have to practice enough. I'm saying whenever I'm creating a new value within the dictionary, we have to write 4. 4 will be my key, and I'm saying is equal to India. If I run this, no output will be there. See, just print one more time DIC. You will get all. Can you see 4/India comes over here automatically. This is how you insert the value or delete the value. But sir, you didn't tell us how to delete a value from dictionary. So just come here DIC. Then there is a function, you can see pop function or remove function. There are many more functions. Just say I want to remove 2. Yeah, I want to remove 2. Simple, right? Just remove it. Okay, it is saying, oh, remove is not a function. There is a function pop. It was showing us at that time. See, pop is the function for dictionary which help you to delete the value. But sir, why I'm getting USA? This is the feature of pop. Whatever value you will remove, it will give you the output. USA has been removed, right? So 2 was a key and USA was a value. If you run DIC again, you will get 2 slash or colon USA is not there because that has been removed. Whenever we are using pop, just use a key. It will remove key and value together. So this is how it works. Now one more thing, so we have understood how each and every function in data structure works. But I want to see, sir, how can I remember all these functions? You should not remember. I have made a one good document for you wherever all the functions of data structure only written over there. So you can see this GitHub. I have created a GitHub profile for you here. You can see list, right? Append function. We know that how append works. I can make a zoom for you. Mm, Here it is. Append function, how it works, written over here, dot append, like that. I have explained you index, not index, sorry, insert function, how it works. Dot insert 1 comma a, it will insert a value like this, right? And written over here description also, it will add an element at the specified position, right? Remove function, it will remove the first item with the specified value. Everything is written over here, but what you have to do, just go through each and every function, and if you feel some function is not clear, you can let me know over the comment, then I can help you to understand that function. The similar manner, dictionary written over here, all the functions of dictionary, all the functions of tuple, and all the functions of set also. This is how we work in the data structure and these functions. So what you have to do, guys, so please go through it, make the practice, and I can share this GitHub link for you, which you can take a note or you can make a star. Just go there and make a star this GitHub repo. That will be helpful for you for the longer run. You will never forget this. So that is it for this particular video. Into the next video, we will talk about more things regarding Python for data science and AI/ML. So please stay in touch. Let's meet to the next video then. Thanks for watching it.